Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction week from 12th of October to 18th of October 2020. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, and it's all based on Indian Vedic astrology. So let's talk for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, this whole week from 12th of October to 18th of October will give lot of promising results. You will get a lot of good gains from your workplace, your seniors will be satisfied, and your family tie-ups will be better. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your friends will support you, and you will enter in a new horizon of your life. This is a time when you may start a new business with someone in partnership, because in this week Mercury is retrograde in your 7th house, which will brings lot of good opportunities related to your professional life. Your daily income will be grow, your source of earning will be rise. You may earn money from multiple sources. Mercury is not a benefited planet for Aries ascendants, but transit in your 7th house in Libra sign will give you lot of benefits. So overall, this whole week brings lot of positive events for you, and you will enjoy all comforts during this week. And Sun will also transit in your 7th house from 16th October. This is a very positive combination of Sun and Mercury in 7th house create Buddha Aditya Yoga. So Monday and Tuesday will be a very promising day as per the moon position. Wednesday and Thursday will be average, and Friday you will get unexpected gains from your workplace. Your desires will be fulfilled. You will enjoy all type of materialistic gains. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will get recognition in your workplace. You get promoted in your workplace. Your salary will rise, and your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Some long distance journey will make you happy, and there is a chances you may book your ticket in this week for travel in coming weeks. So this is a time when you make your plan about your business, and you apply. If you apply that plan in your business, you will earn heaven of money. Finances will be excellent, and you will enjoy a lot of benefits. Your health will be fine, and your finances will be excellent. This whole week brings a lot of positivity to you, and you will enjoy a lot of good and memorable moments with your family and friends. And you on the weekend, especially Saturday and Sunday, you will visit to any religious journey, because it will give you lot of positivity and strength as per your dynamics. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, you need to be careful in this week. Especially Monday, Wednesday and Thursday is not very promising days for you, when some type of dispute related to your family. Don't arguments with anyone, and don't be a part of any litigation. Try to be humble and polite with everyone. Speak polite with everyone. Don't abuse anyone. This is a time when your good fortune started smile for you, and you will be, if you are unemployed, you may get job. But overall, this week will brings little bit struggle for you, and you will get success after struggle. This is a time when your desires will be fulfilled related to your materialistic things. So your savings will be rise, because Mercury is well transit in your birth chart as per transit. So if you have a well placement of the Mercury in your birth chart and the good connection with the transit and birth chart Mercury, you will definitely rock in this week. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants, this whole week brings lot of positivity for you. You will be very positive events in your life. Your family will support you. Your mother will support you, and you will enjoy some quality time with your family and friend. This week will brings lot of happiness, peace of mind, prosperity, and lot of good comforts for you. If you are unemployed, you may get job, but Thursday and Friday will be a benefited day for you. Those native who are already doing any type of import-export business, they will definitely get a big order or some unexpected money from foreign land. This is a time when your desires will be fulfilled, and your bank balance will rise, and you will enjoy all comforts. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. Leo ascendants, this whole week you will be on another height of success. You will start some new venture with someone, and your family will support you. Your father will support you. This is a time when your all desires and wishes will be fulfilled. Your health will be fine, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. This week some unexpected money will make you happy. Your bank balance will rise, and someone new enter in your life as a business partner. Overall, this week brings lot of happiness, positivity, and you will spend some quality time on this weekend with your family and friend. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. For Virgo ascendants, this whole week brings some struggle for you. You will be in a little bit depression. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not you are not able to manage your expenditures and savings during this week. This week brings lot of stress. Without any reason you are thinking about your finances. So you need to focus on your things, do your wonders, because this week little bit struggling and troublesome for you. Avoid unexpected expenditures. Overall, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance at workplace, but unexpected expenditures will irritate you, and you may be in deep depression without any reason. So start yoga or meditation every day morning. Try to wake up early morning and start yoga. This will be very good for you. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. For Libra Ascendants, this whole week brings lot of positivity for you. You may get some unexpected money from your old investments. Some new friends will enter in your life, and you will be spend some quality time with your family and friends. This whole weeks bring lot of positivity for you. If you are a trader, if you are a businessman, if you are any type of manufacturer, this week will brings lot of good orders, lot of good fortune, and you may get some big order from a far away place from your place. This is a time when unexpected money will knock you. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants, this whole week you will be another height of success. Especially Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you, when you will get some unexpected money from your workplace and your finances will be upgraded. You will enjoy a lot of benefits and comforts. Your health will be fine and your spouse will support you. This week you will enjoy a lot of good benefits. This is a time when you will be sky high and you will be rock. This time when your good fortune started smile for you, and your savings will rise, and you will get money from multiple sources. Especially those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, this week will brings a lot of happiness, and your all desires and wishes will be fulfilled related to foreign land. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. For Sagittarius Ascendants, this whole week Jupiter blessed you, transit in your first house, and aspecting is on 5th, 7th and 9th house. And as per moon position, Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you, when you may get some big order, or your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Some unexpected money will knock you, your health will be fine, your finance will be excellent, and you will enjoy a very positive family environment in this week. Wednesday and Thursday you will a little bit confused related to some family issues, but overall this week brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, unexpected finance, and if you are willing to switch off your job, this is a very productive week for you. You need to focus on your work and do your best. This is a time when you will be top and you will be sky high. Good fortune smiling on you, and your all desires will be fulfilled, and your savings will rise, your family will support you, you may get some inheritance from your parents, your father blessings will make your all way easy. Sagittarius, this is a time when you will be top, and this is a time when you make some new business plan if you are a businessman, and apply your business plan in your practical life. You will get lot of benefits. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendants. Capricorn Ascendants, this whole week you will feel much relaxed related to your professional life. Your finances will better, and your seniors will be satisfied. But after great struggle, after great hurdles and struggle, you will reach your milestone. But this week will give you mixed fruit. Especially first 3 days of the week will little bit struggling and little bit give you some stress related to your personal life and professional life. But your whole game will change from Thursday, Friday and Saturday will be a very rewarding days for you, when your seniors will be satisfied and you will enjoy very good happy moments with your spouse. Overall, this week brings a lot of positivity and good gains for you. Those native who are willing to start new business venture, this is the right time. You can start before 16th October. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of unexpected gains from you. You will get money from far away place. You will get some big profit from far away place. This is a time when some new business partner will enter in your life, and your finances will be excellent. You will get some good profit from your old investments. Your friends will support you, your family will support you, and relationship with your spouse will be excellent. But you need to be careful about your health. Stomach problem will irritate you, backbone related problem will irritate you. Overall, this whole week brings a very positive result in the terms of profession and money and savings, but health will be a matter of concern, and you must consult with your nearest doctor if you feel any negative energy. Overall, this week brings a lot of big finances for you, and if you are willing to invest your money somewhere, this is the ultimate time before 16th October. So guys, you need to do your best. This is a time when you will be sky high and rock in the terms of profession, and try to talk polite with your spouse. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. Pisces Ascendants, this whole week good fortune started smile for you, and your all desires and wishes will be fulfilled. some unexpected gains will knock you. Your savings will rise, and you will your eating habits will improve in this week, and your family will support you. You will rise a lot. Jupiter aspecting is on your second house. Your savings will rise, your family will support you. You may buy new vehicle because Jupiter 7th aspect is on your 4th house, or your all debts will be clear. You will enjoy all benefits and comforts during this week. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.